Looking to instantly upgrade your room's vibe with lighting that feels modern, immersive, and actually fun to use? The Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic is designed to transform any space with smart controls, vibrant colors, and dynamic lighting effects. Right away, the biggest highlight is RGBIC multicolor lighting. Unlike standard lamps, this one can display multiple colors at once across different segments, creating smooth gradients and eye-catching effects that completely change the mood of your room. Brightness is solid too. With around 1000 lumens, it's bright enough to act as both ambient lighting and a functional light source, not just decoration. Where it really stands out is smart control. You can control everything through the Govee app or voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and even SmartThings Matter setups, making it easy to adjust colors, brightness, or scenes instantly. The music sync feature adds a fun twist. The lamp reacts to sound in real time, making it perfect for gaming setups, movie nights, or parties where lighting matches the mood automatically. You also get 16 million colors and dozens of scene modes. So whether you want a calm, warm glow, a colorful gaming setup, or a party vibe, it's all customizable in seconds. Design-wise, it's slim and minimalist, built to sit neatly in a corner without taking up space, ideal for bedrooms or living rooms where you want style without clutter. There are a few trade-offs. It mainly supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, and some users mention minor quirks like slight glow when turned off or less smooth transitions in certain modes. Overall, this is one of the best value smart floor lamps if you want customizable lighting, smart home integration, and a serious aesthetic upgrade without spending a fortune. Click the link below for the best price.